Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to make your video look more cinematic by Capcut application. Now I already prepared the project that I would like to show to you, and let's make this video become more cinematic. So I would like give you the tips to make the video look cinematic. So the first thing you have to do now, you can add a quick keyframe on this I could say this video. So let's do a zoom out from the first how the way it's began. So you just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to go click this add keyframe, and on those or in this point you need to zoom in a specific part, let's say here, and after that you just need to bring the straight line until it's became in the end of the clip. And now you just need to bring the size of the clip back into the original. And now let's take a look for the result. So it's slowly zoom in and zoom out right away, okay? And to give another cinematic look, so you just need to go at the animations, the way how this video come in or play. Just need to go click it, go into the animation, and in the in part you just need to jump into the fade in, and just need to go click fade in and adjusting the duration of the animations that you want to apply. You can make it longer by drag it into the right side. And if you want to add the odd animation, you just need to right away jump into the odd part and go add the fade out and adjusting the durations too. And here is the result. So this effect will make your video look more cinematic. So that's the way how to make a video look cinematic by the Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.